All right, you guys. So today, for day 2, we are going to be drawing some succulent plants in a pot. So for your pot, very simple. You are just going to draw a curved line or an upside down rainbow or the letter U. Nice and big. If you draw a tiny pot, you are going to have tiny plants on this big background. So I would go about halfway up. Go ahead and draw your curve down and bring it up. We want it to have a three-dimensional look as if our plants are actually in the pot. So in order to do that, you are going to close this with a curved line down. All right. And then you can go ahead and add your succulents. So succulent plants are kind of thick, fleshy plants that retain water, so they have water in them, and they're usually found in dry climates. Plants like cactus or cacti, the plural version, and they are good to have in your home because they help keep the air fresh and they remove toxins from the environment. So there are all kinds of succulent plants that you can draw. You can look them up in Pixabay or even Google. So what you are going to do for your succulents, we want to keep it three-dimensional. So you will draw some right along the inside of your pot, and then you'll draw some back a little bit farther. So let's get started. So let's say I want to draw a cacti here. I'm going to draw one kind of like this. I'm going to draw that one so it looks like it's behind it, so it looks like it's overlapping. And then I'm going to draw, let's see, another one even behind those two. And then go ahead and add your little details. Make them look a little prickly. You do not want to draw teeny tiny because we are going to be cutting these out and gluing these onto our abstract background. So there's one. Maybe I want one kind of hanging over the edge. So I'm going to bring that over here. And let's see. I'm going to draw one back here a little bit. So here is the bottom of my plant because it's in the background some. And I'm going to draw this big curved looking object. Add in some details. A nice little flower. And you can add as many or as few plants as you want. When you are done drawing your plant though, so let me just add one more. Let's see, what do I want to do? Some kind of flowery thing here. So when you are done, back here, you are going to draw a curved line up to connect the sides of your pot, and that's what gives it the 3D look. So I'm going to curve it up, skip, 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 continue my line, skip, 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 start to curve it down and close it up. So now you can kind of see it looks like your plants are inside of this pot. Might want to add some little pebbles here and there, just for some detail. And then on your pot, we've got all this open space. So we are going to add some designs and patterns, and then we will talk color schemes when we go to add color. So I'm just going to draw some stripes along my pot. And this is where I'm going to add details. Each stripe will kind of get its own design. I'm going to keep my designs pretty simple because we are going to be adding a lot of detail. Or I'm sorry, we're going to be adding color and different color schemes. So if you make anything too detailed, it's going to take forever. So keep it kind of simple. Kind of think lines, shapes, Zentangles,